Hey guys, happy Thursday, September 2nd. It's open house night. So this video is a little bit longer than usual. All right, this is for my parents who are at home or in traffic and you can't make open house. Absolutely no problem, because you know what? We do what we can do as parents and it's enough. All right, so here we go. I'm going to run it through like I'm going to do in the classroom, so bear with me. I'm going to post everything online, so everything I'm talking about you can see in modules. All right, each class is going to be 15 minutes. We're going to keep it moving from first, second, third, fourth. I gave the kids a guide to give to you to put it on the fridge nice and bright so you know exactly where to go. Building portable teacher subject, boom, just like they do. Okay, so my name is Ms Lopez and I teach language arts. And when I walk into my son's classrooms, teachers, I'm over there looking at them like, and who are you and what are you going to do with my son? I have this mental attitude. I don't want to judge, but I judge, you know? So I want to tell you a little bit about me so you know who I am. I've got your baby. I've got your child in my classroom for the next 170-something days. So I totally get where you're coming from. All right, here we go. I'm a super busy working mom. I've been working at Pioneer going on almost 20 years. I know, right? The kids freak out when I'm like, I've been teaching twice your lifetime. I know what I'm doing. So they kind of laugh, but they're a little scared. And you know what? I recognize a lot of the parents. I've had your older siblings. So whoop, whoop, I'm still here teaching grammar and I love it. I'm also a realtor, so I sell houses. So after school, I'm kind of busy. You know what I'm saying? I have two beautiful boys. One's at Embry-Riddle. He's actually building rockets. He's a rocket scientist. Whoop, whoop. And he works with people at NASA, and it's super cool. That was his dream. That's where he is. And I have a son at UF, and he just won an Amazon scholarship. So thank goodness, this teacher says. So my kids have gone through this school. They've had your teachers. I know your projects. I know your homework. I know what the classrooms are like. I've been in your shoes. So I feel you. I totally feel you as a mom. And I'm here as a teacher. I've been here a long time and I love it. I love my little portable language arts world. Okay, I'm from Jersey. And sometimes I think that says it all, but the reality is I did grow up in soprano land. It's a little older for you guys, but I grew up in a tough part of Jersey that, we expect the best and we keep ours safe. So I'm huge into safety. Huge, huge, huge. So I play a lot with the kids, but I never play when it comes to safety. I promise you as mom to dad, that I will do my absolute best to keep your child safe and sound, and I will protect them with my life. Promise. All right, here we go. Okay, my background. I've got a BA in communications and I've got a degree I've got a teaching certificate so I can teach 6th through 12th grade. I started my career at AT&T NCR. It was the first brochure, I remember it. It was about this thing called telecommuting, like not working in the office. And this was back in the 80s. So like forever ago. And now look at us. Amazing. But I did start with AT&T NCR with their first computers, and then I've worked at Estee Lauder for a chunk of time, so I totally love it. I was in the marketing department. I was a marketing manager for the gift with purchase, my ladies, if you know that. Whoop, whoop. I did those commercials, and I did those posters in the beautiful mall. So, yep, that was my business. Then I became a teacher because I wanted to raise my kids. I wanted to be on their schedule. So, boom, I became a teacher. All right, here's my background over the past 18 years. I've been rated a Marzano, highly effective teacher. For those of you that are teachers, you know how much that means? Yeah, exactly. It means you're a great teacher. So, whoop, okay, I'll take it. And that's about all we get for that. So, you know. Okay. Cooper City gave me a beautiful award for being an innovative, creative teacher. The mayor had a big ceremony for me, and it was just lovely, and I really appreciate it because I've been teaching online, doing these vlogs for like 6 years now, because I really believe that I want to connect with the parents. If I can help one mom, just one, feel better about what happened with her child that day, I'm good. That's all I need. If one dad can watch a video and be like, okay, guys, what are we talking about today at dinner? How was Ms. Lopez's class? I heard on her video, and you connect. Because if you connect with your son or daughter and I connect with you and we all connect, it's a strong triangle. Your child is bound to succeed. So I'm a big believer in these vlogs and connecting with you. Okay, I write for DRW Magazine. I posted an article or two called Row. Make your child succeed in 6th grade. It's about being responsible, organized, working hard. And the article is there. I can show it to you. I am a, high impact teacher. Whoop, whoop. That means I was not only one of the highest scoring teachers in the school, in the county, but the entire state. My testing scores were one of the highest in the entire state. I don't take credit for that. My kids deserve credit for that because I worked them hard. and they did great on their testing. So that's awesome. So that's, a big whoop whoop to them, which is great. I've been on TV a couple times, Channel 6, Channel 7, Channel 10, Univision. They do the education segments about what this teacher does, and she's creative, and she does blah, 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 blah. So I have my skill set, and I'm really proud of it, and I keep working harder and harder. A Microsoft Office innovator. I'm a Nearpod educator. I'm going to be gifted soon. So, I like to keep learning. I'm in the classroom, too, so I totally know what it's like to have homework and do things like that. So, boom, I have my skill set, like I said, but what really makes me the teacher I am is that I love to teach. I love working with your kids. I love coming to work. I know, right? People hate me for that, but I love it. It's not my job. It's my calling. It's my career. It's my passion. I love coming to work. I love to read. I love to write. I love to talk. I love to work with kids. I like to see them come up past me up in the ramp, and I see their eyes. I see who had a bad day. Somebody came in crying. Somebody came in laughing. Somebody came in with a headache. And I connect with them. As a mom, as a teacher, I love working with your kids, and I do everything possible to make sure they have a really good day in my classroom. I want them to be happy and safe and feel the pizzazz of language arts, because language arts is not just essays, essay. It's about talking and laughing and writing, and everything you read, everything you watch, everything you enjoy, somebody wrote that. Everything's communication. My gamers in the house, I'm going to game. I don't need an education. I'm like, dude, you've got to have a business proposal to sell that game, to get your money to make that game. You know what I mean? My artists, my dancers, I'm like, you have to understand what the contracts are. So I really try to make them see that everything is language arts. Okay, Canvas is the keys to the kingdom. The portable, clever, where you go to Canvas and Pinnacle, keys to the kingdom. Everything is on there. And I'm happy to tell you that I took the kids on there yesterday and today, so they can maneuver. They know where to go. They know how to check their grades. Now, here's a tip. When they check their grades, you can see them at a glance, but if you click on the subject, you can drill down further and further until you get to the actual assignment and the grade point and what happened or what didn't happen. So everything is there. If you look on the left, there's notifications. You can get the email sent to you. Pinnacle is awesome. Try delving into it and checking it out, because the grades are everything. Now remember, there's 6 teachers. It's like you having 6 bosses. It's hard. It's a hard day for them. And every teacher grades differently, and every teacher puts in grades at different times. So I suggest you check your grades twice a week. Don't make yourself crazy. The kids check their grades a lot because they do it in the classroom with me, either on their phone or their computer, because I like them to know where they are. All right, there's also our textbook. It's online. It's called Ed, A Friend in Learning, which is kind of fun. So today we did some standardized testing, which we do. We do what we do. I don't make it a big deal. They come in, they work, boom. Also, if you go to my Canvas page, you can pretty much run my class on my Canvas page. I have a de-stressing channel where you can go visit the aquarium, and all my agendas for everything that we do is in my agenda and Canvas. So everything is there. Also, you've got the school calendar, you've got the class periods, you've got how to reach us, my remind to tag is there, everything is there. That's it. That's open house. So hopefully that helps a little bit. If you have any questions, hit me up on Remind. Please sign up and then hit me up on Remind. And that's about it for open house. So you can say now that you went to a virtual open house and you got all your information. All right. Thanks for joining me. I hope you have a beautiful night, and I will see you tomorrow. Oh, I'll see your kids tomorrow.